Y'all, I need help. This is my Samsung QLED 65-inch. It's having screen burnout. I've replaced the main circuit board. I've replaced the power board. I think, personally, what I think, it's one of the capacitors in this LCD strip. Because when I unplug this side, it stays the way that it does. When I unplug this side, the lights stay on. The backlights stay on fine. When I plug this in, it'll go back out. But if I unplug this strip, so so it runs this LCD to the circuit board and everything, the lights stay on. But when I plug this one in, there's a problem with it. Let's see if I can. So you can see what's going on. See the screen jittery, line across the center, and then it'll burn out. It'll just get black. I don't know if you can see the screen jumping. And then all of a sudden, it'll just black out. But this is the longest it stayed on. But I don't know what to do. Because it's a good TV, I can't watch it like that. See how long it takes to, this is the longest it stayed on for in a while. Normally it happens pretty quick, and then it goes into a loop where it just comes on, see the QLED, and then it powers back off. This is definitely the longest it stayed on. But that line was never there before. I tried to power circuit. I try to hold the power button in while it's unplugged for 30 seconds, so it drained all the power. I've done everything. Like I said, I replaced all the main components except for the LCD display boards, and I don't think I can do that because I think they're soldered to the LCD screen display. That's way above my pay grade. I know as soon as I stop recording, the screen will go. It usually starts like right here, and then the whole screen there it goes. That's what it's doing. And then it'll restart. And then shut right back down. And then restart, and then shut back down. Any ideas, guys? I need help, man. I need help real bad. I need the TV to work. Thanks.